Do you ever feel like you're falling behind financially, struggling to make progress while everyone else seems to be doing so much better? You are not alone. Many people find themselves in this scenario, feeling stuck and overwhelmed by their progress, or lack thereof. It can be depressing to see others appear to be moving forward with ease while you're stuck. If you're looking for a means to break free from this pattern and regain control of your destiny, this video may provide the insight you need. Watch until the finish because it has the potential to completely shift your attitude. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Try to put yourself in the shoes of another person and see your predicament from their eyes. Sometimes we don't give ourselves enough credit. We downplay our accomplishments, focusing instead on what we have yet to achieve. We have a tendency to elevate others, appreciating their successes and believing they have everything under control and are far ahead of us. The weird thing is, they might be doing the same thing to you. They may be in awe of your successes, believing you have it all together and feeling left behind due to your position. This perspective shift is critical because it allows you to appreciate your own value and accomplishments. Imagine that someone else admires your ability to balance job, family, and personal aspirations. They might be inspired by how you overcame obstacles and achieved milestones you scarcely acknowledge. They witness the strength and resilience you show every day, qualities you may take for granted. By looking at your life through their eyes, you can begin to appreciate the progress you have achieved. You realize that everyone struggles, and comparing oneself to others is not always fair or constructive. Instead, you should enjoy your unique journey and accomplishments. This practice can enhance your confidence by reminding you that you deserve the same appreciation and respect that you show others. It's an effective method to overcome self-doubt and adopt a more balanced and positive picture of oneself. Keeping an eye on your finances is critical to avoid feeling trapped or as if you're not making any progress. If you don't keep track of where you've been, it's difficult to see consistent progress. By tracking your income, expenses, savings, and assets, you can assess how you're doing and identify areas for improvement. This is something you should do frequently. You may not notice significant differences month to month, but after a year or so, you may be pleasantly pleased. Despite certain hiccups, you should be able to witness clear and consistent development over time. This allows you to stay focused on your objectives, like as paying off debt, saving for a significant purchase, building an emergency fund, or achieving financial independence. Without charting, it's easy to miss tiny victories and feel like you're not progressing. Routine check-ins provide evidence of your hard work, promote healthy habits, and make you feel more in charge of your finances. We frequently alter the goalposts for our goals, making it appear that we have not made any progress. That is why keeping track of our accomplishments is critical, as it allows us to recognize where we have arrived or where we have exceeded them. Staying positive when you feel behind financially or like you're not making enough progress can be difficult at times, but it's critical for staying motivated. A positive mindset allows you to focus on finding solutions rather than becoming fixated on the difficulties. When you're optimistic, you can see opportunities to improve and grow, be open to new possibilities and inventive techniques, and establish achievable goals. It also helps you make wise decisions and keep working to improve your financial status. If you become overly negative or down on yourself, you may feel stuck and hopeless, making it even more difficult to move forward. Staying positive allows you to enjoy the minor victories and accomplishments you achieve, which improves your confidence and motivates you to continue. Financial progress takes time, and maintaining a positive attitude allows you to better handle the ups and downs, resulting in more success and stability in the long run. Making a plan and breaking it down into manageable chunks is critical for staying on track. Begin by clearly outlining your financial objectives, whether they are short-term, such as paying off debt, or long-term, such as saving for retirement. Next, review your present financial condition by keeping track of your income, expenses, savings, and assets. This will offer you an accurate view of where you stand. Create a budget that is aligned with your goals, allocating funds to necessary expenses such as debt reduction, savings, and investments. When your finances are stalled, having a clear strategy provides you direction and allows you to identify what has to be done. For example, what goals do you hope to achieve? Do you want to be financially free 5 years from now? How much money will you need to earn to get there? How can you earn that money? Turning major goals into smaller tasks makes it easy to track progress and make changes as needed. This simplifies money management and allows you to enjoy small victories along the way. It also allows you to monitor your spending, saving, and investing to ensure you're on track to meet your long-term financial objectives. If you believe you're falling behind or not making enough progress, check at the averages. You may notice that you are performing far better than the majority of folks your age. Did you know that those aged 35 and younger have a median net worth of $39,000? Individuals aged 35 to 44 have a median net worth of $136,000, while those aged 45 to 54 have a median net worth of $247,000. While these numbers may appear scary, particularly for those starting from nothing, they demonstrate that exceeding these net worth amounts is entirely possible. Did you know the average savings rate is less than 4%, yet the average household has about $110,000 in credit card debt? You can be in a far better situation than you realize. Comparing oneself to these benchmarks can provide significant perspective, demonstrating that development is frequently greater than it appears. Remember that everyone's financial journey is unique, and making consistent progress over time can lead to great accomplishments. Understanding where you are in comparison to these averages can raise your confidence, motivate you to keep going, and help you recognize how far you've already gone. If you feel like you're not where you want to be financially, avoid comparing yourself to others. While some comparison is acceptable, obsessing on others' accomplishments can cause undue stress and frustration, diverting you from your own goals. Instead, focus on your personal development and accomplishments. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how minor, and stick to your own plan. By focusing on your own route, you'll develop a healthy attitude and make better financial decisions based on your circumstances, resulting in greater pleasure and success. Feeling frustrated about your financial progress is common, and most people experience setbacks. Even if you're making good progress, it's common to feel that you're not advancing quickly enough. To overcome these negative emotions, break down your goals into smaller, more doable steps and keep your focus on the big picture. You may retain motivation and progress toward your goals by remaining positive, evaluating your financial success on a regular basis, and revising your plan as necessary. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and constant work will lead to significant results over time. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?